Hi all, welcome to Unfasten Learning Academy, also known as EULA. So today we'll be continuing with the previous year questions. Moving on, so the first question is, a nucleus has an atomic number 64. Considering the nucleus as liquid drop, its radius will be close to, and they are given as R naught. So the formula for this is R is equal to R naught into A power 1 by 3. So substituting with the given data, it will be R is equal to 1.2 into A is 64, the whole power 1 by 3, which will be R is equal to 1.2 into 4 cube into 1 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled, which will be R is equal to 4.8 FM. So option D is the right answer. Next question is the ratio of the longest wavelength to the shortest wavelength lambda L by lambda S in Pascal series of hydrogen spectrum is. So first let's know the formula for lambda. 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by N square minus 1 by M square. So for Pascal series, N will be equal to Pascal series, N will be equal to 3. So for longest wavelength, M will be equal to 4, and for shortest wavelength, M will be equal to infinity. Now substituting the same, 1 by lambda L equal to R into 1 by 9 minus, substituting it over here, okay, so 1 by 9 minus 1 by 16, that will be 7R by 144. Substituting for short wavelength, 1 by lambda S will be equal to R into 1 by 9 minus 1 by infinity, that is nothing but R by 9. Taking the ratio lambda S, L by lambda S is equal to 144 by 7 R into R by 9, that will be nothing but lambda L by lambda S will be equal to 16 by 7. So option D is the right answer. Next question is, a long straight conductor carries a current of 5 amperes. The magnitude of magnetic field at point 20 centimeter from the conductor is. So magnetic field formula is B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi x. Substituting the same, x is nothing but the distance, okay, and I is the current. Mu naught will be 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So B will be equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 5 amperes divided by 2 pi into 20. Since it's given in centimeter, we need to convert it into meter, 10 to the power of minus 2. Now if you just cancel it, answer will be B is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So if you just move the decimal points, it will be 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. That is nothing but 5 micro Tesla. So option A is the right answer. Next question is, a parallel plate capacitor with plate area A and separation D with vacuum between the plates has capacitance C0. The space between the plates is filled with two slabs of the same area but thickness D by 4 and 3D by 4 made of material of dielectric constant 2 and 4 respectively. The capacitance of the capacitor is known. So first let's calculate for C1. We know that the general formula for capacitor is C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, right? So if you just substitute for C1, it will be epsilon naught A into 2 by D by 4, which implies C1 will be equal to 8 epsilon naught A by D. So this will be C naught. Just consider this to be C naught and you can just replace it. So C1 will be equal to 8 C naught. Now calculating for C2, it will be epsilon naught A into 4 divided by 3D by 4, which will be C2 is equal to 16 by 3 epsilon naught A by D. So you can just consider this to be C naught. So C2 will be equal to 16 by 3 C naught. Now we need to calculate the equivalent capacitance. So that will be nothing but C equivalent is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. So if you just substitute the same, you will get C equivalent is equal to 16 by 5 C naught. So option D is the right answer. So we'll continue with the remaining questions in the upcoming videos. Subscribe to Unfastened Learning Academy, also known as EULA.